I've never literally heard a bomb go off, but it sounded like a bomb. I mean, it was so loud. I mean, it almost felt like it shook when he hit.
Andrew was inside a garage here at Auto and Truck Outfitters when he heard this crash. Pennsylvania State Police say a trooper had tried to pull the driver of this Hyundai with Delaware tags over for traffic violations. When the suspect took off, police say the trooper used a legal intervention method to push the car over to the side of the road. It hit a curb, flipped, and wrapped around the sign.
And this was just absolutely just horrific sounding.
Witnesses say the trooper then approached the car with his gun drawn.
The officer had told us to keep back because he didn't know if the guy had a gun.
The driver was in fact still alive and was flown out of here by helicopter, taken to an area hospital. Traffic along Route 202 at the PA-Delaware border was a mess for a couple hours. Drivers couldn't resist looking at this scene.
I have seen accidents before. I'm surprised he was able to come out alive.